I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our personnel for your recent accomplishments and for keeping our community safe, especially the way you all handled the protest rallies across the country, showing maximum tolerance while ensuring public safety. Noong nakaraang linggo ay inilunsad din natin ang Unified 911 System kasama ng ating DILG. Noon, kailangan pang kabisaduhin ang iba't ibang numero para sa iba't ibang klaseng serbisyo. Ngayon, isang numero na lang ang kailangan. Kailangan natin tandaan, isang numero na lang, 911. Simple, malinaw at mabilis. Hinihimo ko ang lahat na sama-sama nating matagumpay at sistemang ito at gamitin nating upang lubos at mapag-igi ang ating serbisyo. As we move forward, I urge all of you to continue performing your duties with dedication and professionalism. Protecting the public is not just our responsibility, it is our honor. Always observe the highest standards of conduct, exercise fairness and restraint, and remember that the trust of the people is our asset. 4 weeks from now, a political exercise will be held in the southern part of the Philippines, particularly the Bangsa Molo Regional of Muslim Mindanao, and more particularly their parliamentary election. That is in 4 weeks from now. Let us ensure that it will be safe and credible through our usual security preparations and implementations thereof. Of course, in partnership with all other deputized agents of the Commission of Election. Together, we can continue to uphold the mission of the Philippine National Police to serve, protect, and inspire trust in the communities we are sworn to safeguard. Sa pagsisimula ng panibagong linggo, patuloy tayong magtrabaho para sa kaligtasan at kapayapaan ng buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police.
Thank you very much, sir.